that time to start the truck. I definitely don't drive this enough. That's why I have all these nuts and bolts lying around. None of the molding's on. Got stuff everywhere. But it's mainly because it's fucking loud. Let's see. Get this battery in here. Yeah, so I mean, you just probably wouldn't be that big of an issue for people driving around because your car is fucking loud. But when you live in California, not always the best having a mini truck and having it be super loud. My seats aren't even bolted in. Getting this bad boy started up. Should start. It has a full battery charge. Definitely don't remember the last time I started it, so. Always just takes a little bit of time. Smoke from the exhaust. Super loud, and I kind of have to just leave my foot on the gas just to let it get up to warm up temperature. There's definitely like the people that don't have the IAC on it. Truck is fucking loud just because I have the downpipe right there. That's it. No other reason. Nothing cool in here. Just a stock 1463 and it's loud. Warm up, and then can't really see it, but once I get all warmed up, it should be good to go. Kind of see how dirty it is in here too. But, you know, so happens when it just sits around. It's kind of bright in here, kind of messy. So I've been meaning to take care of that, but it's kind of running good right now, and I don't want to really mess with it since, you know, I still have other stuff coming in for it, and until that actually happens with it, I don't really want to mess with it. But yep. Definitely adjust my now it's gonna stay as is. Just because I don't drive it, so it doesn't really cause me any issues. But once I start driving it, I'm definitely gonna have to do some upgrades. But it definitely sucks. It fucking smells like fuel in here. I think it's idling. Put it back on. We'll put this stuff out. Let's see if I can put it back on. Alright, there we go. National idle. Fuel pressure being low doesn't help, but some of this stuff being up just doesn't help either. Like I said, don't drive it. So I'll mainly just clean it up here and there, but tags and everything for it, but just kind of not foaming. The truck is super loud and you can't take a nice drive with it anyway. So that's it. I haven't really posted in a while. I'm just gonna mess with my back system and make sure everything's still running right and whatnot. Make sure the truck warms up every now and then. Definitely getting warm out here in California. Since I built this truck, I've only put about 600 miles on it, which is kind of crazy. So, 94 with 160,000 miles, and 600 miles on the dash since I put the two in here. I do want to do other stuff with it soon, but for right now, it's going to stay as is just because put a lot of money in my Evo. So let me leave those out for that. That's my Evo over there. You can't really see it with the sun. It's super bright out here today. Super sunny, but I thought I'd like, you know what, might as well go out, charge it up, see how it's all doing. Got my remote. Back seems to be working. That's weird. Let me see what's wrong with it. That makes sense. Time to get this wrench out. Might as well tighten it up a little bit. Alright. Bad boy back a little bit. Get in here. Oh, that cough, though. Let's see. Compressors are all working, everything seems to be working fine. Kind of sucks because right now it's kind of airing up. I kind of have to keep it on the gas, but that's it. Definitely don't buzz a lot, but